Today I am participating in the Look for Less challenge that's being hosted by Yami at the Latina next door and Kristin of Kristin's Chaotic Life. So if you would like to see what I came up with, stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And I do like to participate in challenges such as this one that is being hosted by Yami of the Latina next door and Kristin of Kristin's Chaotic Life. Please be sure to check out their channels as well as the challenge playlist, which will be linked down below. For those of you who aren't familiar with the challenge, it is one that Yami does monthly with a different co-host each month, and she wants us to look for higher-end products and home decor items that we like and are inspired by, but which might be out of our budget and we need to recreate for a lot less money. So that's what this video is all about, and let me show you what I did. So now I'm going to insert a screenshot of my inspiration piece, which came from Pier 1. And now here is my piece. They look very similar, don't they? Well, that's because this is the easiest dupe ever. It's actually no dupe at all. So maybe that's cheating a little bit, but I wanted to remind everyone that sometimes if you are patient, you don't need to do an actual DIY to get the item that you are looking for. I happened to wander into Pier 1 the other day, and they were having their Christmas and holiday items 70% off, but some of the fall items were 90% off. So this is actually virtually the same piece. The one in the screenshot that I showed you, the greenery was slightly different, but this is essentially the same piece that was selling on the website for $24.99 and in the stores for $24.99. And what caught my eye originally was I thought it was a new spring piece that someone had set down in amongst the fall clearance items. But then when I looked at the tag and turned it around, I saw there was a pumpkin on it. And then I looked at the tag. Can you see that? Let me see if I can get it to focus. A little better. It doesn't want to focus. I'm too close maybe. It's about as good as I'm going to get it. I realized that this was on sale for 90% off. So originally $24.99 and it was marked down to $2.48. I could not dupe this for $2.48. Even if I bought things at the dollar store or found things at garage sales, there was no way I was going to be able to put something like this together for $2.48. So I went ahead and snapped it up, and in fact there were two of them. I felt so lucky that there were two of them there. And so I just wanted to remind you that sometimes you don't have to actually do a DIY to get what you're wanting. And I think this can actually serve dual purpose, because these flowers right here are beautiful for spring or Valentine's Day. And if I just turned it around on a shelf, no one will ever know it was a fall item. And then you could always cover up the pumpkin or take the pick out if you wanted to. I actually showed this in a haul video that I did live the other day. So if you want to go back and see some other items I was able to find at 90% off, I'll put a link to that down below for you as well. So I hope you enjoyed my dupe. I hope you enjoyed my reminder to check out the clearance items in Pier 1. Typically they're in the back corners of the stores or on red racks throughout the stores to differentiate them from the normal items. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you consider giving me a thumbs up. And also, again, if you're new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button in the description box or on the icon in the corner down below there. And once again, I'd like to thank Yami and her co-host Kristin this month for hosting this challenge. I wasn't sure what I was going to do at first, and then when I saw this item in Pier 1, I knew that would be perfect for the challenge. So thank you again, ladies. Be sure to check out the playlist to all of my viewers, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.